Hello guys, welcome to the 15th session of using Microsoft Boot Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will see Azure Boot Management and App Service menu. Let us switch to the browser. I am already logged in. Here is a dashboard. I had already pinned boot services on the dashboard, so it displays here. In your case, it may not be available here. So open all resources. From here, we need to open resource of type Web Boot Service. Let us start with build. From here, we can configure out source code with Azure. We can also edit it online. It is familiar to Visual Studio Code. We can also download the source code present at the Azure server. We will use this option in next session. Azure also supports continuous development from source control, means it will automatically update code. We can add source from TFS, OneDrive, Git, GitHub, Bitbucket, Dropbox, and even external resources too. Next is testing in a web chat. From here, we can test out chatbot. Let us send hi. We also get hi in response. This is sample echo bot created by Microsoft. This is similar to Boot Framework emulator. We can also test this in emulator too, but we need to pass Microsoft application ID and password for that. If analytics is turned on for your bot, you can view the analytics tab shows analytics data that application insights has collected for your bot, such as number of users and messages within our bot. It will be visible only if analytics is turned on for your bot. Channel tab allows us to integrate our bot with the various channels. In next session, we will integrate our bot with some popular channels. Setting tab allows us to change icon, the name for the bot, as well as endpoint, that is URL of action in a controller, and update keys for analytics and insight. From speech priming, we can manage the connections between your LUIS app and the Bing speech service. From pricing tab, we can change our plan too. I am remaining it same. Next important tab is application settings. In this tab, we can change platform settings, change the version of .NET, PHP, Python, Java, etc. Let us scroll down. Here is application settings, which contains configurations for our web app. This tab contains detailed information about your bot, such as Microsoft App ID, Microsoft App Password, bot ID, bot endpoint, LUIS App ID, LUIS key, etc. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.